Hello, YouTube musicians all over the world. It's me, Max, again here. And today's very tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to play with guitar, of course. How to play, let's say, cover or play. Yeah, play, right. The song called "Soldier for Your Love" by Kelly Hawks from my favorite animation called Dragonnest Warriors Dawn. Dragonnest Warriors Dawn. Yeah. It was my childhood animation. I loved it since now. There is no, let's say just no animation came along that was better than that. And I loved it more than anything. And yeah, it's my favorite animation, childhood animation, and I love it. And it is the cover for the song called Soldier for Your Love, and Kelly Hawks. Yeah, the song, you can download it too. How to play it with guitar, it's what we're going to discuss now. So let's go ahead, see the basic chords. Okay, so very basic. Well, we have two professional chords here, but it's not that hard. You can simply just learn it. We have chords in here, full chords, that I'm going to show you. You got familiar with. You have to get familiar with. Well, let's start with the professional chords. I mean, the bar chords, which is kind of a bit hard. Look like a kind of a bit hard, but you can figure. It's a matter of time, just like I did. So you can do that too. Okay, we got F sharp minor. If you have problem with chords, you can just download the guitar tuner, which you have to already have when you have a guitar. It's an important app, a famous app. When the first you came to the Google store, the first thing you're going to search about the guitar, it's going to show you the Guitar Tuner app. The Guitar Tuner app, it's a cheap app. It does have anything, including the chords itself. But I'm going to show you now. What's the chord shape look like? We have bar on a second fret. This is bar. And two fingers, middle finger and a little finger. What is it called? Yeah, just here. Yeah, just like that. This is F sharp minor. The same bar, we go down here. Like this one goes into the second string right here. These two up here, like this. It's B minor. You see the difference between voices? B minor and an F sharp minor. Just search on a guitar tuner, you're gonna find it. You absolutely are gonna find it. And basic chords: D, A, and E. So that's it, yeah? Yeah, that's it. That's all the chords you need to know. So let's go and play the song. Let's see how cover looks like. Okay, so that was it for the song called Soldier for Your Love, yeah, exactly, by Killy Hawks. And sorry about the bad playing, my hands are so sweaty. I don't know, it's hot in here. I should turn on the cooler right now. Okay, we're in winter. It should be cold, not hot, but it's hot. I'm gonna turn on the cooler. Yeah, definitely gonna do.